guys, welcome to Woju TV. Today I'm going to be talking about Dayo Amusa. Dayo Amusa is a popularly known Nigerian actress. She was born to her parents on the 20th day of July in the year 1984 in Surulere, Lagos State, Nigeria. She is 37 years old at 2021. Dayo is the daughter of Mrs. Abiola Amusa. Her mother is a businesswoman who hails from Ogun State, while her father's name is Mr. Kolawole Rasheed Amusa. He is a retired engineer who hails from Lagos State, both in the southwest part of Nigeria. She studied at Kenny-T Private School in Surulere, Lagos State, Nigeria, and obtained her first school leaving certificate after completing her primary school education. Dayo attended Mayflower School, Ikenne, and completed her secondary school education at Mark Secondary School in Shagamu, Ogun State, Nigeria, and she obtained a West African Senior Certificate, Dayo Technology at Moshood Abiola Polytechnic in Abeokuta, Ogun State, Nigeria, and she obtained a National Diploma OND. She said in an interview with Channels TV, "I only ask a simple question. It is a must for everyone to get married. Even the Bible said this. He that finds wife finds a good thing." I didn't say all. A lot of people feel that once you attain a certain age, you have to be married. It takes two to tango. She added, "I don't see marriage as a supermarket which you want to jump into for a window shopping, and then when you feel the meal is boring, you come out of it. Why going into it at the first place?" That is what she insinuated. There is no clear information given concerning her child. However, it is said that she posted her daughter for the first time on social media. Amusa captioned the picture and wrote, "When your baby girl is just as beautiful as you are, my sweet 16, at ayomikon.amusa." Dayo Amusa is one of the most popular actresses both in Nollywood and Yoruba movies. Dayo Amusa joined the Nigerian movie industry, Nollywood, in 2002 and started featuring in Nollywood movies, although she acts mostly in Yoruba language films of Nollywood. She has also acted in English language films. She has acted in movies such as Ajigbodu, Ojuewo, Ekanshosho, Ogunmi, Dewumi, Ibiru, Inu, Ida, Aruba, Unforgivable, Pathetic, Omoniyan, and many others. In 2006, Dayo started producing her own movie and focused on the production on Yoruba movies. Apart from acting, Dayo is also a musician. She has released several hit singles like Ayemi Remix, FT Orisafemi, Alejo, Blow My Mind, Mama's Love, Omodadi, and many others. She is currently the pro-actress of Pay Dap School, which has two locations in Ibadan and in Lagos State, both in the southwestern part of Nigeria. The Nigerian singer-actress is rich enough to enjoy a porch and a luxurious life. She has acquired several expensive property while pursuing her acting career. Not also so long, the Nigerian actress and singer got herself a brand new, stylish, luxurious car. Finally, the actress Dayo Amusa finally answered her fans on the reason why she's still single. Number one, she's happily single, and number two, she shared a test photo on her social media status in quote, "If you cannot answer why you are not dead yet, stop asking me why I am still single." I will repeat it again. If you cannot answer why you are not dead yet, stop asking me why I'm still single. Thanks guys for watching Woju TV. Kindly don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Thank you.